it's Amanda with ILIA, and today I'm gonna show you a beautiful mascara that I love so much. So this right here is the ILIA Limitless Lash Mascara. I really like this mascara because it gives a very nice touch to my eyelashes, and I love that. Also, when I apply it, the lashes look like very natural and they are not clumpy at all. Also, I love the double-sided one that this mascara has because the one catches every single lash and that makes my eyes look like more open and the makeup looks so much better. I also like the fact that after applying the lashes, they look super nice and natural defined. So that's something that I highly recommend if you're looking for a mascara that leaves your eyelashes looking natural and at the same time not clumpy. I highly recommend this one. This is the ILIA Limitless Lash Mascara. I love so much this mascara. I highly recommend it. That's my point of view.